Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming what you have and why you're upgrading. First, check Python version or Python 3 version so you know your baseline. Once done, export dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT to preserve environments. Make sure virtualms are noted. Then download the official installer for your operating system or prepare a package manager command like apt, brew, or choco. This gets you to the first actionable step. Running the installer or initiating the package upgrade. Don't skip backups. Now you run the installer or execute sudo apt update and sudo apt install Python 3. Follow prompts closely. You must choose add to path or enable symlinks so the new Python command is accessible. Select install for all users if your workflow requires it. After installation, verify pip and pip3 map to the updated interpreter and recreate virtual environments using Python mvenv to avoid mixing interpreters. This step ensures scripts use the new runtime rather than the old system copy. Finish by validating that Python version and pip list indicate the updated release. Run a core script or unit test to confirm behavior. Once done, reinstall dependencies with pip install R requirements. TXT inside each recreated virtual environment so packages match the new interpreter. If something breaks, first inspect path order and remove outdated symlinks that shadow the new binary. If persistent conflicts arise, consider using pyenv or the OS package manager to manage multiple versions. And finally, rerun tests to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.